Welcome to the October Take and Make for adults. And this month's project is going to be a Halloween tote bag. And in your kit that you picked up from the library, you will have the black canvas tote bag, and you'll also have the stencil that we'll use, a sponge, and a little container of orange paint. I would suggest that you round up something to put your paint in at home, just a scrap piece of cardboard or a paper plate, and also a piece of cardboard or paper that you can fit inside. Because I learned through trial and error that whenever you stencil on the face, it bleeds all the way through to the other side. So to prevent that from happening, just put a piece of paper or cardboard there inside the bag. And then take your stencil and center it in the middle of your bag or wherever you would like your pumpkin face to be. And then you can tape this down. The face is on a piece of cardstock, which makes it a little sturdier. So you can tape it to the bag if you wish, or you can just hold it down as you stencil. So I'm going to take my piece of scrap cardboard, and this doesn't take a lot of paint, so you don't have, a ton of paint there in your kit. But if you want to just do it from the little cup that you were given, that's fine. Or if you want to pour it out on a little scrap piece, that's fine too. You don't have to wet your sponge. You can just use it as is. And I'm just going to dot some paint onto my sponge and then just go over the stencil. Yeah, it's important not to move the stencil once you have it on your bag, because you don't want to mess up the design and have paint go places where you don't want it. So you can just keep applying paint. If you want the orange to be darker, you can go back over it with another coat. You can try right away, or you can let it dry for a little bit, and then you can get a stronger orange color. But if you have another stencil at home that you'd like to use, you can use that as well. I just wanted to provide the pumpkin one. So once you're done stenciling, you will have a nice pumpkin face on your bag. This is just acrylic paint, so it dries quickly. But I would let it sit here for at least an hour, so you know that your design is good to go. But you can use it as a book bag, candy bag. You can pass out trick or treat with it. But I hope you've enjoyed the October Take and Make, and be sure to check back in November for another take home craft. Thanks for watching.